guys, we've had an order for a wedding crate. It's a solid oak crate. It's just going to have some bespoke laser engraving on the face of it. Okay guys, so we've got our panels for the wedding crate. Actually, before we go ahead and cut some rebates in here on the router table, I'm just going to sand off the glue, sand these off nice and flush. I can figure out what side we're going to engrave on and what side's going to be to the inside of the box. That's basically the first sanding stage. It just enables us to have a look at the solid oak panel and just figure out which is going to be the face side. So in this case, small chip out here, basically we'll run the rebate down both of these sides. I'll just roughly mark those just so I know which side to engrave on. Lou's already done the graphics for this. We've downloaded it to the memory of the laser cutter, so it's all set up now. So we'll set that off. Okay, so that's all done now. It's been sanded, assembled, filled the holes. It's all dried up now. We'll coat it with a few coats of teak oil. Again, we just like to flood the engraving, let it soak in, and then we can wipe it off afterwards. Alright, so there you go. We'll see you next time.